Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Remitly app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we go to the window of Remitly app and you will click here. Then in this page of app, here on app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.